Using Bootstrap, we can easily create predefined alert messages. This HTML page on the right side contains an example of commonly used alerts, including the success, info, warning, and danger alert. In the source code, we can see how the alert was created. Inside our container, we have a series of div elements, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The first alert is the success alert. We've applied the alert class in addition to the alert success class. We've also inserted the word success inside the alert. For the remaining alerts, all we need to do is swap the alert success with the desired alert type. For example, in the second div, we have alert info. The third is alert warning, and the fourth is alert danger. We can make the alert dismissible by adding a few attributes to a link. We'll make the first alert dismissible. Type the following inside the first div element. Adding the class equals close and data dismiss equals alert attributes allow the alert to be dismissed. And to test this, we'll save the document and refresh our web browser. Now you'll see an X appears on the first alert. If you click the X, the alert is dismissed. We can also add a fade effect when the alert is dismissed. And to do that, all we have to do is add two additional classes, fade and in. So save the file and refresh the page. And now when we dismiss the alert, you'll see it fades out.